On every layer, you can swipe left and see actions you can do. You can lock the layer. A locked layer is secured and you cannot draw on it or delete it. You can unlock by tapping Unlock. You can also duplicate or delete the layer. Let's go ahead and duplicate the layer with the pot. Select it and make it a bit smaller. Use the distort option to change the shape a bit so we get a second pot without drawing a new pot from scratch. Make a new layer and draw a plant. Fill in the color. Choose Continue Filling to quickly add in all the colors. Move the layer beneath the pot. You can rename any layer by tapping the layer and picking Rename. Rename this layer plant too. To group the layers, select them all by swiping to the right and tap Group. Group both plants together with the pots. Now when you tap the group, you can move all the elements within the group at the same time. You can also hide the entire group. The background layer is a special layer. You can hide it or choose a background color. I like to make a new layer for the background instead. However, the color change won't be as dynamical as with the background layer. By coloring the background layer, you can quickly go through all the colors and check out which one might look the best. I decided to go with a blue background color. Pick the grainy brush if you want to add some texture. Pick the color of your background and darken it a bit. Now, pick the rectangle and draw it around here to add a table. By gently applying some pressure with the brush, add in some texture. It looks a bit gray, so let's crank up the saturation of the color a bit. Let's name this layer table. I forgot to add the backside of the pot, so let's quickly add it on a separate layer.